Today's video is going to be a very important video for international students who are in Canada and who are planning to come to Canada. Recently, Canada did 3 major changes for international students. Unfortunately, things aren't looking great for international students. Canada has now officially implemented a student cap on international students, mirroring Australia's policy. I request you guys that do not see this video as a negative video. I want to provide right information to potential Canadian students to make best decisions to their futures. Let's move. These are the key points, which we will discuss in this video. The first is the international student cap. Second is the elimination of post-graduation work permits for certain institutions. Next is 3 years of work permit for master's and graduate level short programs, and lastly we will discuss the removal of spousal open work permits for spouses of bachelor's or college program students. Before we start this video, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, please do consider to subscribe and do not forget to follow us on Instagram. I have provided both links in description and comment box, so please click on them to join us, and you can reach us in case you have any question. Let's break down what happened, and I'll share my analysis in the hopes that we can navigate these changes together and ensure you can make the most out of the situation. Let's start with the most alarming change, the international student intake cap. Canada's immigration minister announced today that the government of Canada will set an intake cap on international student permit applications to stabilize new growth for a period of 2 years. Minister Mark Miller announced a 35% reduction in the international student program compared to year of 2023, limiting the number to about 364,000 students annually. This cap is in effect for 2 years, with a potential reassessment at the end of 2024 to set a new target for 2025. For current students in Canada, the impact may vary and changes are yet to be fully revealed. However, future applicants should prepare for increased competition due to the reduced intake, which means that if there are 10 student applications, then Canada will accept only 6 out of 10, and other student application will be rejected. So make sure you work on your application before you launch it, prioritizing master's or graduate level programs and considering programs leading to permanent residency are advisable. If you're planning to study in Canada and aim for PR, make sure your study permit application is robust. Let's move to the next slide. Another change which Canada is making to protect its reputation as a top place for international students, which means Canada wants to crack down all colleges or schools which do not meet Canadian education standard, and these colleges does not have infrastructure and staff, etc. So they won't give work permits to graduates from questionable schools anymore. Another downside for bachelor's and college level students, they can no longer invite their spouses on spousal open work permits. So it is advisable to take master course if you are coming to Canada for studies and you want to sponsor to Canada. On the other hand, master's and PhD students can now bring their spouses on spousal open work permits, a substantial benefit. In other words, in a few weeks, open work permits will only be available for the spouses of students enrolled in master's and doctoral programs, as well as professional programs such as medicine and law. That was all about recent news about Canadian immigration. I hope you guys find my videos useful. If you have any question, please leave in comment box. I will try my best to reply. Remember to subscribe for regular updates on immigration, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram as well. I wish you the best of luck for your application and hope you have a great day.